Ever wondered how far can a drone fly? It's a tantalizing question, isn't it? Knowing how to extend your drone's flight distance can unlock a whole new world of possibilities. But it's not just about pushing the throttle. Factors like battery life, signal strength, and wind conditions play a crucial role in determining how far your drone can venture. So, are you ready to go the extra mile or maybe miles? Stay tuned, as we will reveal some amazing tips and tricks to help your drone reach its maximum flight distance. Tip number 1. Optimize your battery. To maximize your drone's flight distance, it's crucial to ensure your battery is in top-notch condition. Always ensure it's fully charged before you take off. This way, your drone can stay airborne for its maximum flight duration. Cold weather can also be a sneaky culprit, as it can reduce battery performance. So, if you're flying in chilly conditions, try to keep your battery warm before flight. Remember, a well-maintained battery can be your best ally for long-distance drone flights. Moving on to tip number 2, always ensure a strong signal. Maintaining a robust connection between your drone and its controller is paramount for achieving maximum flight distance. Think of it as a long-distance conversation. You don't want any static or interference, right? Now, if you're finding it hard to maintain a strong signal, consider using signal boosters. They can significantly enhance the communication range, giving your drone the freedom to explore farther. A strong signal means a farther flight, so never underestimate its power. Tip number 3, be mindful of the wind conditions. Wind can be a silent saboteur, dramatically impacting your drone's flight distance. It's not just about fighting the breeze. Wind can drain battery life, reduce control, and even carry your drone off course. So before you launch, check the weather forecast and consider the wind. If there's a heavy gust, maybe save the flight for a calmer day. Remember, in the drone world, the lighter the breeze, the better. In the world of drone flying, the calmer the wind, the farther the flight. To wrap things up, let's revisit the key points from our drone flight distance discussion. First, remember that battery optimization is vital. A well-maintained battery that is used efficiently can significantly enhance your drone's flight distance. Always keep track of your drone's battery life and ensure it's fully charged before taking it to the skies. Next, we discussed the importance of strong signal strength. Always keep your drone within your controller's range to maintain a robust signal and prevent any unexpected landings. Utilize signal boosters if necessary and avoid areas with high interference. Lastly, we touched on the role of wind conditions. A strong wind can quickly drain your drone's battery and reduce its flight distance. Therefore, always check the weather forecast before your flight and try to fly in calm conditions. By keeping these tips in mind, you can truly maximize your drone's flight distance, fly high, and explore new horizons.